knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know.
Hi, Teng Teng! Happy birthday! Ayun, so ako, for me, gusto ko lang na sabihin sa'yo na happy birthday at mag-iingat ka palagi, kayo ni Mara, ni Mahal. At masaya ako kung anong meron sa inyo ngayon at sana iwasan nyo na yung pag-aaway minsan, ganyan. Nandito lang din ako, malayo man tayo sa isa, hindi man tayo madalas mag-usap, pero ako pa rin yung kaibigan mo. Ayun, so gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa inyong dalawa na naging part ako ng ano nyo as a friend, yun. So stay healthy, stay pretty, God will always bless you. Ayun, so happy birthday, sana magkita tayo, hindi man dito sa Taiwan, if ever man sa Pinas, sana magkita tayo.
Happy birthday, tita. I miss you. How are you? Happy birthday. Wala bang pa-birthday dyan? Ano ba iluluto natin?
Happy birthday, Nid. Enjoy your day.
Hello sa mahal na mahal ko. Happy birthday po. Hiling ko sa'yo sana matupad lahat-lahat ng gusto mo at goal mo po sa buhay. I-bless ka pa ni Lord ng siksik, liglig at umaapaw na biyaya. Palaging mag-iingat sa araw-araw ha. Salamat sa lahat-lahat ng pag-aalaga. Alam ko minsan nahihirapan ka pero kinakaya mo. Andito ako palagi, hindi aalis, dadamayan ka sa lahat-lahat. Tutulungan kita sa lahat ng problema mo at pagsubok sa buhay. Pipiliin at mamahalin kita sa araw-araw. Happy birthday, my always. Enjoy your day and may God bless you palagi. I love you po. Sobra.
And you know that he knows, and it shows that with faith and love, with struggle rise. 'Cause he knows that only you can see me through. And because of this, I gave you my I to